Welcome to Modern's Way. In this unit, in this series, let us learn electric charges and fields. First, let us see the blueprint of this chapter. So, they may ask for 1 mark, 2 mark, 1 question and 5 mark. This 5 mark may be derivation or problems, or they may ask for 3 marks, 1 question. So, anyways, they can ask. Okay, so this electric charges and fields comes under the unit of electrostatics. What is electrostatics? Electrostatics is nothing but it is a study of force, potential and fields of static charges. Okay, now let us learn what are charges. So, electric charge. So, electric charge is a property possessed by the material or object that makes it possible for them to exert electrical force. Example, when you touch some objects, you experience an electric shock. Why that electric shock you are going to experience? Because that body is going to exert an electrical force. So why this electrical force is exerted? Because because of that material or the object, it possesses some property. What is that property? It is an electric charge. Now, based on the polarities, there are 2 kinds of charges. The first one is positive charge and negative charge. So here we are going to study what is electrification. So electrification is nothing but the process of charging a body. Charging a body is nothing but an electrification. If I want to charge this body, how can I charge? That method is nothing but an electrification. So there are 3 methods to electrify or charge a body. First method is charging by conduction. Second method is charging by friction. And the third method is charging by induction. So, these are the 3 methods of charging a body. Okay, firstly let us study charging by conduction. So, an uncharged conductor can be charged by bringing it in contact with a charged body. This process is known as charging by conduction. Example, take this body. So, let this body be a charged body and let this body be uncharged body. When I'm going to bring in contact, this body is also going to become a charged body. Say example, this is a positively charged body. When I'm going to bring in contact with this uncharged body, this body also becomes a positively charged body. When it's negative, this also becomes a negatively charged body. So the process of charging by this method is known as charging by conduction. Okay, the second method is charging by friction. When 2 bodies are rubbed against each other, electrons are transferred from one body to another. So this process is nothing but charging by friction. So if I want to give you an example, consider a glass rod and a silk. When you are rubbing the glass rod against the silk, there's a electrons are going to transfer. So that time both becomes a charged bodies. So here the electrons are going to transfer to the silk. So here the glass rod is going to lose the electrons to become a positively charged body, and here the silk is going to gain electrons and becomes a negatively charged body. Okay, the third method is charging by induction. So here, when a charged body is placed near an uncharged insulated conductor, so a charged body, so take a charged body, so here is placed near an uncharged insulated conductor. So let us take A and B to be a uncharged insulated conductor. Okay, now you know what happens when a positive charge is placed near this conductors. What happens? The negative charges comes near this surfaces, and the positive charges ripple and they stay at the farther surfaces of the another conductor. That's what they have given here. Charges of opposite polarity. What is opposite polarity? Negative charges. So negative charges are produced on the nearer surface of the conductor, and equal amount of charges of same polarity. What is the polarity of this polarity? Is a positive charge. It is going to be of same polarity produced on the farther surface of the conductor. So now if both the spheres are separated, this becomes a negatively charged body and this becomes a positively charged body. So this process of charging the body is nothing but charging by induction. Video, let us learn the further topics and we'll be giving the important questions related to this topics. So till then, be practicing. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe from Modern Sway.